Go to the Pen tool in the Tools panel. Click the document and you will add your first node. Go to another part of the document and click again to add a second node, and now you've got a curve. This curve is currently an open curve. You can click again to add another node, and if you want to close this curve, click the first node. And you can see there you get a slight change in the cursor and click. You've now got a closed curve. You can also modify the fill by going up here and changing the colour to green or blue, etc. You can also change the stroke. This is the stroke around the edge here. And also you can change the stroke width. If you want to change the positions of these nodes, what you can do is go over here. Instead of the pen tool, you can select the node tool. With the node tool selected, you can now select these individual nodes. So click there and drag and reposition it. You can also select multiple nodes at the same time and drag those. If you wish to curve this design or slightly modify it, you can just click and drag. Do not release the mouse click at this point. It will not add a node if you do this. And you can see you've got these things here being dragged outwards as well. If you wish to add a node at any point along this curve, you can simply go here and click and release. And that will add a node to that point. And you can then click here and just drag. You'll notice it is a sharp point. If you wish to convert this sharp node, go up here to convert and then go here to smooth. And there you have a smooth node. You can also click the document anywhere and just drag over all of the nodes. With them all selected, you can also use things like here for actions to split the curve as well as break curve, etc. If you wish to delete a node, simply select it here. You can see it's now selected and then press the delete key on the keyboard and it's gone. If you wish to create a slightly more unusual design, you can duplicate this design. So hold down the Alt Option key on the keyboard and then duplicate it. So now you've got two curves. You can combine these. Simply again drag over all of them with the Move tool. Once you've done that, you can go to Layer and then down here to Geometry and Add or Merge Curves, etc. And other options are available. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Always adding new videos about Affinity Photo, about how to use the curves, how to apply effects, and much, much more. Bye.